apartment, room 3126 on board the Celebrity Ascent, a Celebrity Edge class ship. Are you ready for the tour? All right, let's take a look. This is an Oceanview Stateroom here on the Celebrity Ascent, again, which is an Edge class ship, my favorite kind of celebrity ship. Come on in, let's take a look. As soon as you come in, you have to your left the controls for the room. This is where you can control your temperature, the lighting, all kind of things you can do from this nifty little thing. Oh, you see that mood lighting? Mood. Okay, let's brighten it back up a little. Give the people something to see. You can control your lighting from here. You can control your room temperature from here. This is also the bathroom here, but we'll come back to that. Right over here, we've got some storage space. Now, one thing I love about these Celebrity Edge class ships, you get plenty of storage space. So this is kind of a little hidden peekaboo storage area right here for you to store some items. One of the things you also will have in your cabin is this deep sleep sign. So you can put this outside on your door if you don't want your cabin steward knocking on the door. If you're resting and just want to be left alone for a little while, you just put your sign on the door and then nobody will mess with you. All right here we've had the closet. There is a double door. So you've got some shelving over here, some drawers. You have a safe if you want to put some personal items that need to be locked away. And then of course up here you have space to hang things. You can hang some shorter items here, like some folded pants or whatever. Over here you can hang your longer items.
That's where Kiki hang all her 17 dresses at.
Yeah, and Race hangs his suit jackets. You do get bathrobes with the celebrity room. They are comfortable. So that's the closet. Here is the bathroom. Watch your step up, please. Now, I love celebrities' bathrooms because they're pretty spacious, if you ask me. There's lots of room. If you just stand back a little bit first, you can see that there's a lot of room in this bathroom. You can see that it comes with a glass shower door, which I love. Y'all know I don't like curtains.
What do we call it?
Full booty coverage.
Shout out to Tony Breaker.
And over here, you've got some shelving. So you have shelves on both sides. So you have places to store your items in the bathroom. You've got shelves. You got a glass in here. Y'all know we're not using this glass.
Storage only.
Somebody commented on another video and said they use that to put their toothbrush in. Not a bad idea. So then you have your sink area. You got a nice deep sink here. Water runs well. You've got some hand soap. And you've got some shelves down here.
I want that soap dry your hands out.
You got some shelves down here where you can store items. Of course, you've got a towel rack. One of the things I love about Celebrity, diverse artwork. Y'all look at this. Look at my girl on the wall in the bathroom. Hey sis, how you doing? Hey girl, you look good, girl. I love it. Okay. Over here again, we have the shower. You do get conditioner, shine shampoo, and shower gel with the shower. So if you're the type that likes to use whatever is available in the room, have at it, you got it. We're the type that like to bring our own. We like to use what we like. So, and then of course you have a toilet here. Nothing really showed there, just a toilet. It's a toilet, it works, it flushes, it's functional. So let's come back out and let's look at the bed area. How about that? So over here is the bed area. You've got a nice, we have ours set up as a king size bed. You can also have it separated as two twins. On each side of the bed, you've got a nightstand area. But let me show you the difference. Because this side over here, yes, you have a nightstand, and yes, you have two shelves there, and you have a cabin phone, and then you have this lamp here, right? But on this side over here, you have a lamp and you have shelves, but you also have an outlet and a light switch. So make sure you make note of that. You will not have an electrical outlet on both sides of the bed. You will only have it on one side. Also, just across from the bed, we've got a pretty nice sized TV. The Ascent actually has smart TV, so you can log into your Netflix or your YouTube or whatever it is that you want to pull up on the TV and do that. Nope. Hello, Maria. Oh, apparently we're Maria.
Where you see that at?
In the corner there.
Shout out to Maria.
Is Maria paying the bill? That's what I would like to know. Since Maria's name is on this TV, is Maria paying our bill? That's what I would like to know. Here is a nightstand area, so you got a nice chair with a back, so that's always nice to have. You've got a mirror here that you can use as a vanity because it's well lit. I use it as a vanity pretty often. We also ordered water. You can pre-order water from your room. Now I'm gonna tell y'all, this water was like $37.99. $37.99 for this water. However, they are large bottles. They are larger than the bottles you would typically get on a cruise ship. And you get 12 of them, so.
And that's good water.
You could say, is it worth it? $37 to me, I don't know, but.
That's good water. That good water is expensive.
Tuscany water. And you do have a light switch here for that light. Moving this way, you have a mini cooler here. This cooler did come with, it has a lock on it, but ours was unlocked. It comes stocked with some things in here, you guys, but keep in mind, you do have to pay for those items. If you eat or drink anything out of there, the prices are right here. They are not free. You have to pay for them. We're gonna get this cleared out because we're not gonna pay for those items. And we're gonna stock our refrigerator with our own bottles. So Ray does not drink, and I have not been drinking for the last several months either. So we got some non-alcoholic, so de-alcoholized. Is that how you say that? De-alcoholized wine. So this is a Bellini and a sparkling wine. So you can bring your own bottles, one bottle per person in the cabin, and you can put it right into your cooler once you clear it out. So you do have a lamp here on this table, and then you have 3 drawers. These are all functional drawers. So you can store clothing or your packing cubes or whatever you want to put in these drawers. Right in there. And right here, we have a window because, like I said, it is an ocean view. This is what our porthole window looks like. There you can kind of store some stuff over here too. I wouldn't necessarily say you could sit over here because of how the ledge is, but you can definitely store stuff up here. But pretty simple window, right? Nothing major about it. Then right here, you have your couch, which I do believe is a sofa bed. I will confirm that on screen, but I do believe this is a sofa bed. So this is the couch. It is a nice size. It's actually longer than the couches that are in, like, I've had an infinite veranda cabin on Edge class ships before, and the couches were not this big in those cabins. So this cabin is a little longer, so that's nice. Let me show you one of the things that I really like about this cabin too. Look at this nifty little box here. It is just meant to hide your cords, just to make your room look a little bit neater, so you don't have cords hanging all. Doesn't that look nicer than that? I think they did a good job in just putting some ways in here to kind of touch up the room to make it a space that you can make livable and not have it be crowded and cluttered. Just an easy way to do that there. Over here on the desk area, we have our Celebrity Today, and we have our Effie with Love. You always get one of these little with love gifts every time you come on one of their ships. And that's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour of Celebrity Ascent Cabin 3126 and Oceanview Cabin here on an Edge class ship. And let us know, would you stay in this cabin? Do you think it's a room that you would like? Do you feel like, nah, I need my balcony? Do you feel like, I think I could do that? We want to know your thoughts. Drop them down in the comments below. And until next time, Team Reese all day.